Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Lásìkò ojú pé kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Akọ́tán láti gbàmádùúrà nìkan má rí irú ẹ̀ mọ́. Ẹni tí ó dẹ̀ sọ ẹ̀mí tó pàdánù ẹbí Ọlọ́run á dúró tì wọ́n, á dùn wọ́n nínú. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ní information ní àsìkò yìí lórí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí kó má bẹ̀rù, kó má mìíràn láti sọ fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá àbí ládùúgbò wọn. Wọ́n ní nǹkan tá a tún máa fún wọn ní nǹkan pé ìfọ̀rọ̀tónilétí. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká rírú ẹ̀ mọ́ ni. Tẹ́ àrírí ni but ó ti happen, ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ náà. Àwọn la máa ti jọba lẹ́yìn láti pawọ́pọ̀ ká lè mú àwọn tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ bí èṣù ni wọ́n. Èṣù rẹ̀ ní ṣẹ́gun lórí wa. Ọlọ́run á gbà wá.
A ti ń gbọ́ ngbòrò wọn ní pé ti fún ìjọ yìí ní 50 million àti ní láwọn blọọkì kan lọ́sàn-án ìkẹ́ tó dé ń sìn. A fẹ́ confam.
Òótọ́ nìyẹn pé màá fún wọn ní 50 million. And then 50 million fún àwọn tí wọ́n ṣòfò ẹ̀mí, ẹni tí ọmọ ẹ̀ kú ni, ẹni tí ìyá ẹ̀ kú ni, ẹni tí ó farapa ni, wọ́n fi ṣètọ́jú àwọn ẹ̀. Eléyìí tí church náà bá dẹ̀ tún lè ṣe nírànlọ́wọ́ máa ṣe. Òótọ́ ni ẹ̀.
Hi guys, how you doing today? It's your girl Lollipop, and I've come with an update about the massacre that occurred in Owaluwa in Owo town at Ondo State. Presently, the national leader of APC, All Progressive Congress, and the presidential aspirant, that's in person of Ashiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has gone to Owo within company of the governor of Ondo State, that's Rotimi Akeredolu, to commiserate with the families of the deceased, the victim of the massacre. And he did not only do that, he visited the scene of the incident and also went to the family house of the deceased, and then he did well by donating the sum of 75 million naira to them over there. So he gave 50 million naira to the family of this deceased, while the 25 million naira was donated to the St. Francis Catholic Church where the massacre occurred. So it's really it's a sad event, and we pray that such things like this will never occur again in our town. So that's it, update guys about Ashiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the whole town. Thank you.